Can greatly help SEO. And there are tools. I'm happy to give you the names of those tools. Chris and I will do a follow-up or article, blog post. So you need technology tools to help you with your search engine optimization. If you're not concerned about your SEO, you are living under a rock somewhere. So you need to think about SEO. This is your discoverability online. Discoverability online is really important. Like, will clients actually call you because they found you online? Maybe, maybe not. But for the firms that aren't household names, this is really important. And it's also important for niche practices. I have a client that was building its NIL practice, that's name, image, and likeness practice, and there aren't a lot of firms that have that. So guess what? I did a ton of research, I bought some keywords, and I put substantive content, so that's not just a practice description that's over 300 words, that's also webinars and the recaps of webinars, podcasts, all those sorts of things, and client alerts. And then I've got a hub for my content. Everybody should be thinking about their web pages, their blogs as hubs for their content, and their LinkedIn company pages as well. Another little idea for you guys: every webinar or speaking engagement your lawyers do can be turned into another piece of content. Chris and I are going to turn this into short, spliced up little clips, because nobody really probably wants to watch the 55-minute program, although I would like to think, unless you're having trouble with sleeping and it helps cure insomnia. Or you might want your short clips, and also the transcript is easy to get for this. We'll turn that into an article, and you've got content for days.
Yeah, I mean, I actually created this infographic a while back, and then Stephanie and I re-collaborated on it, and it's called The Circle of Law, and it's all the different things that you can do with a piece of content, depending on where you start. Like, sometimes I'll write articles, and then I'll break it up into individual blog posts. Sometimes I'll write a series of blog posts, and then I'll combine it into an article, and then you can, record it, podcast it, video, all these different things you can do.